Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I wasn't going to record this video. I don't prefer recording video after video 2 days in a row, but you know what? This one had me too excited to hold back. And it also has me terrified. So we have Cosmic Smite, right? The newest rendition of Smite, and I believe might be the strongest. Mind you, this is the... Sorry, my throat kind of caved in on itself for some dumb reason. This is the layer key I was talking about. It's kind of hard to see the details there, but got Smite's head down there with some very small lightning bolts, some light shines, and a diamond. All that cool stuff. This is the layer key. It definitely works now. I just need to sand it down some. And yeah, that's Cosmic Smite. Going up against a Bay that has made me bleed. War Smite. This is a prototype Smite chip layer key that I used at one point. It was never. This is the first time it's ever been on camera, so I mean, using its best combo. This terrifies me because these two bays are very similar yet very different. So yeah, this is going to be something else. I gotta test something real quick. Okay, he does work. I just popped my elbow. Ow! I'm scared to... I am genuinely terrified to touch War Smite on the side when it's spinning fast. But, anyways, so yeah, without further ado, let's get this battle started. I have to scale Cosmic Smite, and I feel this is the best way to do it. So, yeah. Let's... Whoa! Okay, let's try that one more time. Except this time, let's do it right. Oh, God! Oh! Yeah. Okay, so that's 1 point to Cosmic. How much damage was done? Very minimalistic damage was done. Dude, like, Cosmic... This battle right here will tell if Cosmic is stronger than War. If it is, then I have 100% succeeded in creating the best Smite. So far, Cosmic has a point. I do have spare teeth because I can tell you right now a break will probably happen. God dang it, War! Oh my Jesus Christ, these things hit like freight trains. I have a feeling some teeth are gonna break because this little chip is wiggly. Everything's wiggling now. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's scoot this camera a bit closer. This is something else. That was a tie, by the way. War decided to say bye, and yeah, if Cosmic breaks here, it's not going to count as per usual with breaks. Jesus. Okay, so now it's a point to Cosmic. 2-0. God dang, Cosmic's teeth are about to snap. I wonder if I launch them both on the same launcher, how stamina. This may not count. I don't know. Cosmic used all of his aggression there, so... yeah, it's not going to count. Stamina was way off. I can't do it both the same launcher, so that's unfortunate, but I'll just launch War harder. We'll do it that way. I need a second revive ripcord. God dang you, War. They just swap places. Wow. Cosmic. Honestly, Cosmic is nowhere near as intimidating right now as War is. Mind you, War Smite has made me bleed in the past from striking me, so... I mean, that thing hits hard. LAD. I'm gonna swap out these teeth real quick on Cosmic, because they feel like... It feels like this thing's about to crumble. And that it was, I think. Let me just get this on. All I need is the blue painted Karma to perfect Cosmic Smite in terms of aesthetic and overall generalism. But yeah, full blue. Let's do this. Okay. So the score is, what, 3-0? That's impressive. Last time Smite got 3-0'd was back when, or has struggled. I'll wait till we're of a higher number. I don't want to say Cosmic's as strong as Demon King, because Demon King's just a whole nother monster. Come on. There we go. There we go. Little, just some minor hits, you know, nothing crazy. That's 4-0. Some minor impacts, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. I'm obviously joking. Those are some of the biggest impacts I've ever seen, and I can put money on it that all of them came from War. War Smite has really good attack power, whereas, actually, never mind. War Smite's just a strong... He's a strong bay. He's swole. Okay. So, let's do this. God dang you. Jesus Christ! Oh my god. Most of the time when War Smite fights, the recoil he produces kills his opponent's stamina as well, but he's getting 5-0'd right now. That's not good for War Smite. Did I really just pull off what I've been trying to pull off for the past around month to a year now? I don't know if Cosmic's about to launch, but we'll see. Yep, I saw that coming. He was too snug on the launcher. There we go. Good launches for... One of these bays are going to break my stadium. One of them will break my stadium. Jesus Christ. If Tyrant doesn't get to the stadium first, that is too, because I forgot about him. I want to redo that. War's launch was a bit weird. Why is that so wiggly? You're weird. Why is your beard weird? Huh? Answer me that. No, seriously, I need a fresh launcher for War. Let's see if this changes the thing a little bit. That launch was a bit weird. And I'm not going to be taking a second attempt or gander it with it. So, yeah. This is definitely going not as bad as I thought it would. What's wrong? What's the predicament? What's the matter? God dang it. Okay, I got it to work. Yeah, let's get this going. What's the score? 5-0? This is very terrifying. Ugh! Jesus Christ. 5-1. Finally, War gets a point. Ooh. Ooh. Very possible to burst this thing. Very possible. Indeed. Jesus, holy crap, oozles. War Smite's still spinning. 6-1? God dang. Cosmic's ruling this state. I am excited. It took... Okay, we'll save that for the very end. This could be the last battle. This'll tell. I saw that coming. We don't count breaks around here. Wait, let me check the teeth real quick. Was it a break? That was a burst. That was a burst. Oh my god, War Smite just bursted Cosmic. That was no break. That was a full-on 100% burst. That's the first time I've seen this. Oh my. That's the first time I've seen this sort of subsystem of bays burst. War Smite did what no other bay I had could do. 6-3. I can't believe that just happened. I really can't. He bursted it? I mean, I knew it was possible and all, but it's difficult. Big hits. Cosmic holding his ground against War. And it comes down to a knockout, to which Cosmic wins 7-3. That was a truly amazing fight right there. And I finally did. Let me guys show you something. These are the two. This was Smite. V1 Smite, right? Okay, this is V1 Smite. The second Smite after that was War Smite. Let's take you out there. War Smite was for a long time believed to be the best Smite. And to be quite frank, it was the best Smite for a long duration of time there. But you guys have no idea how many evolutions I've spent trying to get this thing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! 8 evolutions to get better than this, while being fair. These are all Smite rings that I tried. I modeled all of these and tried them out. None could beat this. It took me 8 tries to get something that is stronger than what I had. By quite a landslide, mind you. 10 evolutions to 1 Beyblade. I mean, most of you guys have seen most of these evolutions. Freaking Retribution, Ballistic, Forge, Cold War. You guys never even got to see this one. Or this one, I think. I don't even think you guys saw this one. This was the first Smite that was actually fully thick plastic. And yet, we finally got it. Finally! Jesus Christ. Now, I don't have to worry about making a version of Smite that's fair and better than War. I start focusing even more on my other bays. Oh my god. I think that's it for today's video, guys. This is groundbreaking. There's a new king of Smite evolutions in town, and it does not play around. This is the strongest Smite. Cosmic Smite is the strongest Smite. And this one's battle damaged, mind you, so it's not even as strong as it could be when fully fresh. You saw it here first, guys. It can be bursted, so it is fair. You saw it here, guys. It is stronger than War Smite, the bay that has plagued me of my success for the longest of time. 7 times I attempted to pass War Smite in power, and only on the 8th did I finally create something capable of doing so. This is monumental. This. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm dragging this video on. This is the longest video I've ever had in a while. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to. We finally did it, guys. We finally made a proper, real evolution to Smite. And it looks cool, too. See y'all next video. Goodbye.